Hello the internet and welcome to another fast school holiday video workshop with the CNRL Library Innovation Studio and Library Children's Services. Today we're going to show you how to make a crazy chocolate cake. Super easy to make, especially with kids because there's no hard beating. And the reason it's crazy is normally when you make a cake, you're going to need milk, you're going to need butter, you're going to need eggs, you're going to need a mixing bowl, you're going to need a spoon. We're not going to use any of that stuff. To make this recipe, you're going to need a cake tin, a cup measure, a fork, a tablespoon, a teaspoon. For the dry ingredients, you're going to need plain flour, sugar, cocoa powder, and baking soda, bicarb soda, same thing. For the wet ingredients, you're going to need vegetable oil, vinegar, water, and some vanilla essence. And we're going to make it all in the cake tin, no mixing bowl required. So first of all, let's get a cup and a half of flour. Close enough. And we'll need 1 cup of sugar, a third of a cup of cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now watch out, baking soda and baking powder are different things. We want baking soda, also known as bicarb soda. 1 teaspoon, chuck it in there. And then get your fork and just mix it all up. We're sort of doing a dry whisk to make sure all those dry ingredients are fully combined. Don't want to be seeing any clumps of sugar or any clumps of cocoa powder. Make sure it's not there around the edges. Look at that, beautiful. Next up, get your tablespoon and make 3 wells in the powder. Into the first well, we'll put a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Into the second well, 2 tablespoons of vinegar? 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Into the third well, we want 1/3 of a cup of oil. Doesn't matter if they mix a little bit. And finally, into the vanilla well, we're going to put a cup of water. And again, using your fork, let's mix it all up until there's no dry ingredients left visible. You want to make sure that everything is well mixed together. And look at that. That is a fantastic looking cake mixture, and with no butter, no eggs, no milk. Okay, that's going to go in the oven now at 180 degrees for half an hour. And when we're finished, we're going to take it out of the oven and leave it to cool completely in the pan. Now I got mine out after 25 minutes because it looked ready. Let's have a little look with a knife. And comes out clean, fantastic. Okay, our cake is completely cooled. Let's get it out. Oops. Look at that, excellent. And look at that beautiful cake. Let's give it the taste test. It's really chocolatey. It's wonderfully sweet. You wouldn't know there's no milk, butter or eggs in here at all. And as a result, because there are no milk, butter or eggs, this chocolate cake is 100% vegan. All it could do with is a lovely chocolate icing on top or a nice cup of tea to go with it, and that'd be perfect. So we hope you enjoy this workshop. We hope you enjoy your lovely, delicious chocolate cake, and keep watching to find out what you're going to need for the next fast school holiday video workshop.
Paddle pop bracelets. What you're going to need are some large paddle pops, some cable ties, a rolling pin, scissors, a pot, and some art supplies for decoration.